Welcome to Cape Tribulation, one of Australia's most remote and wild coastal destinations. Today I'm taking you from Port Douglas to the heart of the Daintree Rainforest, with crocodiles, lush jungle, secret swimming spots, and everything in between. Okay, good morning. This is one of my long-awaited experiences. We are going to Cape Tribulation from Port Douglas, and there's so many places that I wanted to see here. It's the oldest rainforest in the world. It's a Daintree Rainforest. Lots of animals, lots of dangerous things, and I hope this adventure will be epic. Let's see what happens, and if the weather helps as well. Hey, say hi.
It's just $10, thank you.
Sure. Before going deeper and closer to Cape Tribulation, we stop at Mossman Gorge, which is actually very easy to access, and you pay an entry fee, and there's a circuit you can do around these forests and just explore the nature in general. If you're lucky, you might come across a cassowary, one of the most dangerous birds in the world. Yeah, maybe lucky is not the word, but definitely an interesting experience if you come across one of them. But there's also so many different trees and plants that are so interesting and unique to this part of the world that it will definitely keep you entertained. Our first stop is the Daintree River, right at the heart of the Daintree Rainforest, which is over 180 million years old. We'll be doing a crocodile tour, see if we can catch some salties. Oh, nice.
This is the Daintree River. It is a tidal river.
The tour guide brought his dog to the tour, which was such added fun, like such a cute dog.
Saltwater crocodiles are the biggest and the most dangerous crocodiles in the world. The females, they grow to about 3.5 meters, but the males can grow to about 6 or 7 meters. Even the smaller ones will attack you.
Such nice facts about the saltwater crocodiles. Feeling safer than ever right now.
Very cute little heron, as you can see. Just breeding.
If they catch you, is there a chance of survival?
You have to put your fingers in their eyes and they might let go of you. They say you have to open their valve. They can open their mouth underwater without the water coming in.
Oh yeah.
So if you open that valve, they cannot pull you under the water.
To open the valve, you need to put the arm inside the mouth.
Yeah, that means you have to put your arm inside their mouth and they will throw you around. So I think that will only make your life maybe a couple of seconds longer, but that's about it.
And now we know that to survive a saltwater crocodile attack, you need to put your arm inside his mouth to open the valve. Yeah, amazing.
They can reach for roots and up to about a meter. So it's a bit hard to find them.
Ooh, it's digesting the bat. There's one inside. There's a bat inside there. You like the crocodiles? Then finally we saw our first saltwater crocodile that was completely out of the water.
Yeah, my dog, she wants to rip them. So born in 2020. Almost. Yeah, there's no freshies in this river. The freshies, they need fresh water to live in, of course.
Amazing tour. We saw so many animals. I'm so happy, and I couldn't recommend it highly enough. So check it out. It's called Solar Whisper Crocodile and Wildlife Cruise. What about you? Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is the only way to cross over to the oldest part of the Daintree Rainforest. It's by ferry. There's no bridge. It costs $39 return ticket. On the other side, it's just pure rainforest, full of animals, full of dangerous things that could kill you. And yeah, you gotta be safe at all times. You gotta try. If you don't mess with the animals, they don't mess with you. They always keep telling us, don't swim in the water, don't go into the forest, don't do any crazy stuff, and nothing will happen to you. It looks like we are in Jurassic Park. First stop at the viewpoint, and a local shared with us a very sad story we had no idea that had occurred right there to a very famous person.
Just below the horizon you can see a slightly darker line with a whiter line underneath it. That's where Steve Irwin died.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's where he died with the stingray.
That's where he died, yeah. And I think the shadow of the cameraman went over the stingray, around it. He pulled the barb up, straight into his chest. They had a small support boat.
Yeah.
Someone said, but that's a venomous barb in his chest.
Yeah.
You know, it's putting more venom in. What should we do? Probably best if we put it out. So they pulled it out because it was right in his heart. He bled to death.
As we continue our drive through the Daintree Rainforest, the forest actually gets denser and denser at each kilometer we drive. And then after about an hour's drive, we arrive at Cape Tribulation. Yeah, see, everything kills you. Vinegar for the jellyfish. And then this amazing beach. Wow. You can't see the crocs, but they're here somewhere. Well, they can be here. Cape Tribulation, here we are. One of the most dangerous places and beautiful also, as well as remote in Australia. Let's see what the lookout looks like. I think there's a lookout on that hill over there. That's actually Cape Tribulation. That's the cape itself. Okay, we found the cassowary. Just joking. It's a bush turkey. You can also find stingrays and sea cows, or dugong. You'll see all sorts of swamps, which is apparently where the crocodiles would be living. This is the little trek taking you to the top of the hill. Let's see if the view is beautiful. The canopy, so thick. Oh, it's one of those poisonous caterpillars. Lots of spikes. Oh, it's dropping. It's like hanging in the air. Ah, finally focus. Can you see? Cape Tribulation is where the two World Heritage Sites by UNESCO here in Australia meet. I mean, the two main ones, the Great Barrier Reef and the Daintree Rainforest. It's also very humid out here. It's really, really muggy. And you know, I'm used to it. I've been to Southeast Asia and it's more or less the same. It's not something that I've experienced in Australia that much because New South Wales, where I live in Sydney, is quite mild. Doesn't get too hot, or what I consider to be too hot in my opinion. Any crocodiles? Nope. Another great view of Cape Tribulation. Beautiful, beautiful mushrooms. This is a tree mushroom. Oh, and a lizard. Ah, just gone. Ooh, moving the tail. Whoa, what are they doing to the other end? It's coming, it's coming. Okay, now it's time to go off the beaten track. The road is like this, as you can see. Not a proper road. But yeah, we'll go as far as this car allows us. We don't have a four-wheel drive. We've reached the further we can go. This is Emmagen Creek, and only if you have a 4x4 you'd be able to cross here. Well, to be fair, our car could cross perhaps, but when you get to that part over there, it's a bit risky. It's a rented car, so we don't want to damage it. There you go, if you have a 4x4, there it is. Yeah, you feel like swimming, and then you see this warning: crocodiles, no swimming. Crocodiles inhabit this area. Attacks may cause injury or death. Wow. So beautiful, and you cannot swim here because of the crocodiles. Look at the water. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna try. Skipping stones. 3 times. We are trying to discover where this is taking us. We think it's some sort of pool where you can swim. Maybe the crocodiles don't get there. We'll find out. Yeah, Juan just said that he's really scared of the cassowaries and he will be running away as soon as he sees one. Ow! 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 Ah.
How are you?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Cheers,
Ah, bloody hell! This is the plant that just stung me and I got trapped. It's like a string full of spikes, and then they come out of nowhere, and they get attached to your clothes or your skin. Also, you've got these beautiful palm trees, but then look closely, and yeah, you see, they are covered in spikes. Beautiful ones. There's like path A, path B. Which one do you
I think I'm gonna just
This one?
A. Yeah,
Yeah?
we will see.
Yeah, we'll see. Oh, careful. This one has no spikes, I think.
What is it?
Oh, wow, look at this tree. Do you know what it is? It's like those ones you have in Brazil as well, the tree of life or something. I don't know the name. Wow. I can hear the water. Whoa. This is amazing.
Paradise.
Yeah, we're not the only ones here. Look. Hi. Look at the roots of this tree. I think there's no crocodiles here. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully. Somewhere?
3.
Wow, so good.
Okay, 8 points.
Freedom. No sharks, no cross.
No stingers.
Oh yeah. Maybe snakes, only. The other big attraction of this gorge are the fish. Let's see some of them. Yeah, he got scared of my camera, of course. So much fish. Oh, so cold. Maybe there are some snakes, but you know, not the end of the world. We can. What? Oh, the fish. He's biting your toes. Okay. I thought it was a snake. I was talking about snakes. Careful with what you say. This guy scares me. We wanted to stay in this beautiful place forever, but we had to leave because there was another spot we needed to check out that has been recommended by other people. No crocodiles in the swimming hole, they are in our burgers. Mason's swimming hole. That's it. Another place where you can swim here in Cape Tribulation called Mason's swimming hole. Let's see what we get to. Whoa, here we are. Few tourists. Okay, to be fair, we just got back from Mason's hole and we think Emmagen is much better. So if you can go to Emmagen Creek, that's a way better place for you to swim and enjoy the Daintree Rainforest. What a day! From crocodiles to rainforest trails and hidden swimming spots, this part of Australia really is something else. Time to head back, but memories, they'll stick around for a while. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Going out for dinner and we discovered this little thing on our car. Actually, it's quite big. I wish I could show you with my hand, but I don't want to put my hand next to it.